Today is June 8th, 2011. This video is about doing the XPS-16 diameter calibration. So from the main menu, you want to press the tools icon, the key icon. We go into the factory locked area, which is password MB, accept that, and then we press the cal icon at the very top and the check icon. Press the OK icon. Insert the .125 diameter pin. Enter the check. Press the check icon. Insert the .622 inch diameter gauge pin. Press the check icon. Press the Save Open icon. Press the Save icon. Press JJJDW. Press the Save icon. Press the Exit icon. Press the Save icon. Press the Tool icon. Now you're back to the main menu and you've recalibrated the diameter detection. To verify that your calibration is accurate, take a drill like a .375 inch drill, 9.5 millimeter, and check the calibration. Insert the drill into the machine. Make sure that diameter detect is on auto. Start the machine. And see what it reads over here.